Hello everyone, my name is Prashant and welcome back. So today we're going to discuss about a very interesting website which I like most. The website is quite interesting. The name of the website is godbolt.org. I'll pin the URL for that. So in this website, the best part is that you can see you can program in multiple languages. For example, let me show you the languages. You can start from Android, Java, C Sharp, C++, Clean, COBOL, D, Dart, Kotlin, and many more, Python and everything, right? So at the same place, you can write multiple languages. Okay, that is point number one. Another thing is that you can choose multiple compiler for that. So for example, suppose you're porting from one compiler to another compiler, you're porting from one platform to another platform, you can test it out in the singular website. Third is that you have a lot of options. Say for example, suppose you're writing the code and you can immediately see that assembly code for that. And even if there is an option here, you can see that for every line of assembly I could see there is a value given to it. So I can see that what is the relevant binary code for given assembly also. So that is the best part. Third is that you can see you can have a lot of options within the tool itself. So I can opt for visibility. I can opt for filters, like what is I want to link to binary, execute the code, whatever, right? So I can do it at once. You can see below that this is where I can see my output of the code also. And you can see stack users of that particular code. I can just I have disabled it. Okay, now if I go to this option, you can see that there are a lot of options: stack users, preprocessor, gcc tree, control flow, all that is given, right? Fourth is that we have a compiler options are also given. So for example, suppose you want to put some flag, for example you want to enable some warnings and all, that also can be done. Okay. And fifth actually is that if I go here, let me show you. This I already showed. In this case, you want to enable some tools along with your programming. Say for example, I want to check nm, and nm is like gonna list all the functionalities getting called within the code. Okay. And similarly, if I want to see my code, like I want to read elf, right, that is also one of the tool that also can be integrated, right? So that is the best part, and it is very easy to navigate. You can close them, you are not needed if you're not needing them, and you can do it. Third, like sixth is like you can also compare. You can see, right, you can compile the code, execute only, and you can see the source editor also along with it. And if you're habitual to code on vim option is also given. So I'll recommend it for every programmer who is maybe starting the programming, or you're already doing programming. If you're not aware with the website, kindly use it. It is extremely good. Okay. I hope this website will help you. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with others so who might be also benefited. For more such video, please stay tuned. Thank you.